Alright, today we will make the best burger in the whole world. Essentials. First, you get a beer. This puts all the stress away. That's the first thing. Burger meat, eggs, cheese, barbecue freaking sauce, burger freaking bread, or lettuce and tomatoes. After 1 hour, the fries are done. We will make homemade French fries. We take a patata and we will cut it here, like this, so that the potato doesn't move. Put it like that. Now we will cut it into strips. Just let this goes away, and then like strips like those, as thick as those, okay? All right, now we have those strips and we cut them. That's it. So this beautiful, amazing oven doesn't work. That's why I'm using this little portable boring one, which I absolutely hate. But until the big oven gets fixed, this is what I need to use. And now we need olive oil. And now it's time to massage these little bad boys in olive oil. We spread this on the paper. Okay, now we take a potato, we dip our toes, fingers in the olive oil and we massage, and then we put it on. So what I did is I was waiting 30 minutes for the fries to be done, but I did not turn on the oven, so I was very disappointed after 30 minutes. Aha! The fries are done. Absolute amazing. Crunch as fuck. Oops. We will not be eating for it. Salt and some spicy chili paprika. Alright. Fries are done. Now burgers. We preheat the thing. Okay. We need oil for the eggs, and for the burgers we don't need. Voila. Burger meat, egg. That's it. Bruh. The egg looks absolutely amazing. Here. Oh, barbecue sauce. Oh. Burger. Cheese. Egg. Yes. Tomato. Plus the bastard. Look at this deliciousness. And the absolute best part is when you dive in. There you go, correct. Okay, so I ate 2 burgers and the fries, and the calorie intake is 1257. I used my MyFitnessPal, you know, and I always put everything in to track the calories. The meal had 80 grams of protein, 35 grams of fat, and 160 grams of carbohydrates. And I hit it perfectly. Look, 50% carbohydrates, 25 protein, and 25 fat. So I'm really happy with this meal. It's satisfying as fuck, makes you happy, and yeah, that's it. I broke a 16-hour fast with this meal, and it's just so amazing. And if I would have a breakfast before that, it would be very easy for me to go above my calorie intake, and I could gain fat out of it. But since I was fasting for 16 hours, this is not an issue, and I can just eat what I want. And now I will have dessert. I need to keep ice cream in the fridge, not in the freezer, because of my baby, because she wants the ice cream to be melted. So I don't know what's that about, but okay. Dulce de leche. It's completely melted, but that's what my baby likes, so I need to eat it like that. This is not all. We will also have a caffè mediano. One magic button and everything is made. This is the absolute best and everything.